Ask me, hey, what do I bring to the range? What type of kit I bring? What kit am I wearing? What guns am I using? All right, so first things first, the rifle that I use is LWRC is the brand. It's an M6 TAC G upper receiver, 11-inch upper. My optics, the EOTech EXPS 2. Okay, my lower receiver is JD Machine Works. I'm rocking the Magpul ambidextrous sling mount with the Magpul MS2 Gen 3 sling. I love this thing because it's single point, could go into dual point of the CQD Picatinny rail mount with the Magpul finger grip. For my pistol, I'm using the Glock 45, the X300 Light. My barrel, I changed out the barrel. I got the S3F Glock barrel. I absolutely love this gun. I like the size of the Glock 19 with the full grip, 17 grip. It's my new favorite. All right, the equipment, my range bag right here, as you can see, fully loaded. Got dummy rounds. I bring my rifle and pistol ammo. I got a set of binos, cannon, image stabilizers for when I do sight-ins. I don't have to run back and forth every single time. I can just look down my bino, make adjustments on the fly quickly. Extra mag pouches. I got rifle mags, got speed loader, got tape, got multi-tools. I got a stapler, extra staplers, timer. I'm using the Pocket Pro 2, so one of my favorites. This is a must if you want to up your game, challenge yourself up against the clock. When you're in the range, handy dandy Sharpie, go ahead and mark your missed shots and then go from there. It's a good habit to always mark your missed shots so you keep track of what's going on. When I'm rocking kit, I got my Eagle Industries plate carrier. Okay, P mags, Lancer mags are my favorites. What I use. iPro, my favorite iPro is Gatorz. Been using it for over 12 years. I use it on the range and I also use it in my personal life. Favorite shades, reliable, sturdy. These things don't break, they'll last forever. I've had these shades, these specific pair of shades, probably over 5 years, and they're still good. I use them today. I also have a set of clear ones that I use as well when it's not as sunny out. Well, here they are. These things are solid. I highly recommend you guys get these. If you guys have any more questions about what else I bring to the range, please comment below, send me a message, and I'll let you know. But that's pretty much it. This thing's always getting bigger, it seems like every single time I come to the range, but it's everything I need to get by throughout when I train my shooters or when I come here to practice myself. Train hard, teams.